All right, didn't they do good? Yeah. All right, only took us 9 weeks to learn that, all right? Now, they did a super job. Now, here's how we're going to dismiss them so you can find your children, okay? We're going to let the teachers take them over towards the gym. So that's where they'll be, okay? They'll be there with their teacher. We're going to dismiss them by class, and that way we can get them out of here in an orderly fashion and hopefully get you out as well so we can get the next group in, okay? Thank you again so much for coming. Give them one more hand, would you?